Hello everyone, in this video, we will be downloading and installing Vmware Workstation on a Windows machine. This will be very quick but you can follow along, so let's get started. So first, open up your web browser, in my case I am using Google Chrome. And now navigate to the address bar of your browser. Type in Vmware Workstation download. Now click on the first link that appears on your browser. Scroll down and click on the Vmware Workstation download. This will redirect you to Broadcom site. Keep in mind I already have an account in Broadcom, so for first-timers you have to create your account first. In here, for you to register, click on the drop-down menu on the right corner and click on Register. In the user registration form, type your email on the email address field and click Next. Input all the required field or information and don't forget your password. In my case, I've already created my account. Now go back to the login page. Now enter your email address on the username field. Click Next and then enter your password and click Sign In. As I've said, I have already downloaded a software from this site, so you might see that I am already on the download on my dashboard, but just follow my instruction and you are good to go. Now on the right upper corner of your window, click on this drop-down menu. Click VMware Cloud Foundation. Now on the left side corner, click on My Downloads. Then on the right side corner of your window there is a search bar. In there, type in Vmware Workstation and hit Enter. Then click on Vmware Workstation Pro. In here you will find all the versions of Vmware. You can also download the Linux version if you are using Linux OS. I've already downloaded the Pro 16, but let us try the latest version. Click on Pro 17 and hit the latest one. Now for first time you will see a box in here. It is somewhat a verification. Just click for you to download the software. It will require you to input additional information, so just provide it and hit download again. Now click on your downloads and you will find the Vmware there. As I have mentioned, there is already a Vmware Workstation installed on my device, and there is already a guest machine running on it. But for the sake of this video, we will try to install the software. Click on the software we just downloaded and hit Enter. It will require you to run on administrator, but just give the permission, it is safe. This might take a while. Now in here we are in the installation wizard. As I have said, I am not going to install this version, for I have already using the version 16 Pro. In here it is telling me to click Next to upgrade the Vmware installed on my device. I will just cancel this installation. But in your case you just have to follow the instruction to install the software. So that's it. After the installation you are ready to use Vmware. Please support and subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any question, feel free to comment and I will be happy to answer. That's it guys, hope this helps and thank you very much.